Hi, this is Robin. Just going to quickly show off the status of the coffee monitor. Basically what I have here is an LCD screen which is just tied up to the Arduino, which is in the background. I have it plugged into power, obviously. The LCD screen is so that I can actually see what's going on without having to connect through my computer. You can see that it has an IP address, plus it's reading off microvolts and the number of readings. So it's 234 microvolts. This is the 9th reading. So basically every 5 seconds right now it's doing a reading. The Arduino is the brain of the operations here. Basically it has connected obviously to the LCD to display information, but it's also connected to an analog to digital converter. So this little guy here is an analog to digital converter. And what it's doing is it's connected to a bathroom scale. So this is a bathroom scale on the bottom, which has been hacked so that I can actually sense when things are on the scale. So as an example, if I put weight on the scale, you can see that right now the voltage reading is 546 microvolts. So I take my hand off of it and it goes back down to 250 microvolts. So as I put more weight on it, more power is allowed to pass through to the Arduino, which it then reports as the voltage. So that's all done by this little guy right here, which does the conversion of the analog to a digital signal. So right now the coffee machine has 12 cups of coffee. I was using beer to measure before, but now we're back to coffee. So basically the 12 cups of coffee. So if I reading, we're at 250 microvolts. So if somebody comes along, gonna take some coffee out of the coffee machine. So we take out a couple of cups. So it takes it down to 10 cups. And if we take a look at our reading is now 234 volts. So we'll go take a couple of cups. Somebody else comes along, takes a cup of coffee. Takes it down to about 8 cups. And we can see that the reading right now is still 234. But every 5 seconds doing the reading, so it's at 218. So we take a couple of cups of coffee. You can see that's going down to around 6 now. And you can see that the screen, well, you may have seen that the screen was green before, now it's white. So now we're kind of getting into this, running out of coffee. So we're at 6. So take out some more coffee. That'll take us down to about 4 cups of coffee. And if we take a look, we're at 203, reading number 37, just wait for it. Nope, went red. So now the system recognizes that we are below our threshold of 4 cups of coffee. So now a notification would go out to say, hey, somebody needs to make some coffee. You can see that it does bounce around a little bit, but that's again because the thing's super sensitive to the very minute voltages. So of course, if we take more coffee out, and it won't bounce around quite so much. We'll get down below 2. So now there's only 2 cups of coffee left in the machine, and we can see that our reading is at 187. I'm sure you can see that. I have a guide over here which actually shows me that when it's empty it's 171, 2 cups is 187. Has trouble measuring 2 cups to 4 cups, so that's 187. So if we get below, I believe it's 190, that's when we get the signal, or 200, we get the signal that we need more coffee, and it goes all the way up to 250. So you can see here it's red. So again, it would have sent a signal off to say, hey, I need to make more coffee. Anyways, just thought I'd share that with you.